Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kumar from EnglishWise Perth. Today we have another successful student, Harpreet. Her desired score was 65 and she has got 8 each, overall score 86 in a very first attempt. So I will congratulate Harpreet. Could you please share your experience about our course and everything with our other students?
Firstly, I would like to thank you, Dr. Kumar, for all the strategies and the feedback classes you have provided. They really helped, and the portal is really good. And I got my desired score, even more than desired score, in the very first attempt. So whoever like to get their desired score in their very first attempt, I would really recommend to come and visit EnglishWise and Dr. Kumar especially. Thank you, Dr. Kumar.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your positive feedback and coming in the center. I really appreciate your time to come here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.